Yo, what's up, guys? We're back to another video. We're playing Russian roulette. We have a guess.
Shooters
Shooters _airsoft. Bring it. Give it an applause, everyone.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Where do I put the gun?
Right on the ground so it doesn't get wet. All right, so we're gonna spin this thing and then we're gonna run that way.
One shot.
Yeah, and then the other one is to give it 5 seconds because otherwise.
Of course I missed. Is that me? Can I get you? But I can't hit him. Oh. That was terrible, bro.
Wow. I'm tired.
Bro! I hit the bush!
Tomorrow we're coming out with a banger, you know? We're going to VIP airsoft. We're gonna cook for y'all. I'm gonna try to cook for y'all because that's the GoPro.
That was so close to hitting you in the arm. Ready?
No.
Ready? Oh god, I'm scared. Oh! Bro, why does it curve? My bullets keep...
Why is it always landing on you?
I know.
Ah.
Oh! That was...
Hey, ready? I got safety! Oh. Let me make sure it's shooting. Mad drop, bro.
That was scary.
It was on safety. I was gonna shoot you, and then I'm like, no. You know what? I'm gonna stay on myself.
My magazine fell out.
Wow.
Now, how about we're allowed to like move like at?
Did you see a shooting?
Bag?
What?
Is that like the bigger Mac or is that the one that holds like 60?
This one's like 120 or something.
Oh, I thought that was the other one. Alright, ready?
I'm so tired.
Bruh!
But how did that not hit you? That was already so close to hitting. I saw the BB. It literally skimmed his pants.
It's shooting, right? Ah. Ready?
My mask is fogging up. 1 sec.
Alright, keep going that time.
No.
Yeah. What?
I got him. I got him. I got him.
Bro, you got me in the shoulder.
Oh!
We doing more.
One more?
One more game, no more, no less.
Yeah, one more game, we can do it!
One more game.
One more game!
How much? We 7 minutes in. Alrighty, so next person to get shot, then we're gonna end it. Hope y'all enjoying. Yes. It's on safety.